There are a number of questions we can ask. Who with ko wai, what with hea ha, where with either tēhea or hea, why with hea ha I or hea ha te take e ana. And the next question is which of these is mine? And we ask this with ko tēhea. Ko tēhea taku kapu, which cup is mine? Ko tēhea te aratika, which is the correct path, the right path. Now we have met several types of words that have a T as the initial letter in the singular and then drop the T in the plural. So tētahi becomes ētahi, tau becomes au, tēnei becomes ēnei, etc. Well, tēhea is one of those. Tēhea means which one, and ēhea means which ones. Ko tēhea e haere ana, which one is going. Ko ēhea e haere ana, which ones are going. Ko tēhea te kaiako, which one is the teacher. Ko ēhea ngā kaiako, which ones are the teachers. Ko tēhea tōu, which is yours. Ko ēhea ou, which ones are yours. Ko tēhea waka tōu, which car is yours. Ko ēhea waka ou, which cars are yours. Ko ēhea ngā mea pai ki a koe, which ones do you prefer? Ko tēhea tīma e toa, which team won? Ko tēhea o era kōtero te tuahine o henare, which of those girls is Henare's sister? Ko tēhea te mahi kua oti, which is the work that has been completed. And we can answer this kind of question in the same way that we answer other kinds of questions. That is by replacing the key question word, in this case, tēhea or ēhea, with the answer. So if the question is ko tēhea te wā kohi pāua, which is the pāua gathering season, we can answer it. Ko te raumati te wā kohi pāua. The summer is the pāua gathering season, apparently. I don't know if that's true or not. That's what I read. Ko tēhea te mea nui, which is the important thing. Ko te kai te mea nui, the food is the important thing. But also love. Love and food.